Two friends, same college, same career, same salary. But one financial decision changed their entire future.
Ryan and Alex graduated together and started engineering jobs in the same city.
They earned almost the same income and dreamed about building successful lives. Ryan celebrated by buying a brand new truck with a long monthly payment.
Alex chose a reliable used car and promised himself he'd invest the money he saved. Every few years, Ryan traded for another new vehicle and another loan.
Meanwhile, Alex simply maintained his car and invested the difference every month.
The biggest cost wasn't the truck. It was everything that money could have become.
One choice, two futures. And by the end of this video, you'll know which road builds real wealth.
Most people think they're buying transportation. In reality, they're entering one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives.
The conversation quickly shifts from the vehicle's price to just one number: the monthly payment.
Stretching the loan makes the payment look smaller, but keeps you paying for years longer. But keeps you paying for years longer. Keeps you paying for years longer.
The vehicle didn't become cheaper. Only the timeline of your debt became longer. Every extra dollar spent on a vehicle is a dollar that can't be invested for your future. The moment a brand new vehicle leaves the dealership, it immediately begins losing value.
Your vehicle may look brand new, but the market already values it less than yesterday. Most owners never notice depreciation because it happens quietly, one day at a time.
While one vehicle loses value every day, invested money has the potential to grow for decades. That's where real wealth begins. Millions of people don't actually own their vehicles. They're making monthly payments on tomorrow's income.
Month after month, the payment feels normal. Until years have passed and the debt still isn't gone. The biggest difference isn't the payment itself. It's what that money could have become.
Many buyers trade in before paying off their loan, carrying old debt into their next vehicle. Instead of starting fresh, the debt keeps growing with every upgrade.
Alex keeps maintaining the same reliable vehicle instead of chasing the newest model.
Each dollar he doesn't spend on a new payment becomes another dollar working toward his future.
Wealth rarely appears overnight. It grows through small, consistent decisions repeated for years. One lifestyle creates financial pressure. The other quietly creates financial freedom. The car in your driveway doesn't define your future. The financial choices behind it do. Car advertisements don't just sell vehicles. They sell a lifestyle and an identity.
Marketing convinces people that buying a certain vehicle will transform who they are. The industry understands emotions better than most buyers understand financing.
Owning an expensive vehicle feels rewarding today, but the payment follows you long after the excitement fades. Status attracts attention for a moment. Financial security lasts for decades. Sometimes the real cost of a vehicle isn't money. It's the experiences you postpone.
Every purchase quietly pushes you toward one of two futures: more debt or more freedom.
The gap between financial stress and financial freedom often begins with ordinary monthly decisions.
The most expensive part of buying a vehicle often happens after you've already chosen the car.
Optional add-ons may sound small individually, but together they can significantly increase the total amount you pay. Shopping for financing before visiting a dealership can help you understand your options and negotiate with confidence. Walking in with financing already arranged gives you more control over the conversation. Gives you more control over the conversation.
Every major purchase deserves one simple question: what opportunity am I giving up?
Reliable transportation and consistent investing can work together to build long-term financial stability.
One focused on driving the newest vehicle. The other focused on building lasting wealth.
Small financial decisions repeated over many years can lead to very different destinations.
The goal isn't to own the most expensive car. It's to create the freedom to choose how you live.
True success isn't measured by what's parked in your driveway. It's measured by the future you're building every single day.
Your financial future isn't determined by the vehicle you drive. It's determined by the habits you build.
Ryan finally realized the truck wasn't the problem. It was the cycle of replacing it before building wealth.
Alex didn't become wealthy through luck. He made consistent financial choices year after year.
Money can always be earned again. Time can never be replaced. The smartest financial decisions often look ordinary in the present, but extraordinary in the future. Every dollar you don't spend unnecessarily has the potential to build the life you truly want.
It's never too late to make better financial decisions. The best time to start is today. Wealth isn't about impressing strangers. It's about creating security and opportunities for the people you love.
The most valuable vehicle isn't the newest one. It's the one that helps you reach your financial goals.
Remember this: the car you drive will eventually grow old, but smart financial decisions can create freedom that lasts a lifetime. Choose assets over appearances.